Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos al vapor. Steam tortillas and fillings gently, keeping a tight stack with parchment to trap steam and heat evenly. Choose a moist filling so tacos stay tender, and avoid oversteaming to prevent sogginess. Finish with chopped onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving warm for the best experience. Try a few filling styles to find your favorite for tacos al vapor. Shredded beef or pork works well when simmered until tender, while poached chicken in salsa verde stays juicy. For a vegetarian route, roast squash and peppers, toss with beans, and season boldly. Keep fillings saucy, but not soupy, so the tortillas absorb flavor without getting soggy. Serve hot with simple toppings like onion and cilantro. Master the steaming method for perfect tacos al vapor every time. Use a steamer or pot with a heatproof rack and keep steam consistent but gentle, not a rolling boil. Stack tortillas and filled tacos with parchment separators to keep layers from bonding. Steam about 8 to 12 minutes depending on thickness, and open carefully to avoid losing steam. Let tacos rest briefly before serving to set shape and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.